Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is Accenta Mini System Test 1. Yep, it's finally here. So as you can see, this keypad, and we've got the panel up there. So so I don't know if you remember when I revealed the panel, there was I did a poll in the description for what motion sensors I should use for this. So, and there was a tie, so I used the spinny wheel thing for it. So the first motion sensor on zone 7 is this, which is the Pyronix KX15 DQ, I think, or it used to be a DP, I don't know what it is really anymore. It used to have the pet tolerant sensor, the pet tolerant lens in it, but I took that out because it wasn't really sensitive, which is not good. And then the second one is the Texacom Prestige DT, or also known as the Texacom Premier Elite DT now. I think, yeah, Prestige is what they used to call them. It says Prestige on the back, actually. Don't know where you can see that. Oh no, the kind of cable's in the way. Never mind, so that's on zone 7, that's on zone 8, that one's on zone 1. So let's do a quick test. So that's a dual tech, and that's a quad or something, I don't know. So if we just do about, if we do 8 and 9, no, 8 and, oh, whoa, what have I done? 9 does all zones, does it? Hang on. Hang on a minute. Hang on, what have I done? No, if we do get rid of them all and do 1, 8, 7 and 8. So now if I move zone 7, I'm going to wait for that one to settle over there now. So I'm going to settle. We need to wait for that one to settle first. Problem is it's quite sensitive. Right. There we go. Zone 8 is lit up. And then zone 1 for door contacts. So that's that. Let's just turn where is it? Oops. Don't want to do that just yet. So that's it. And I have wired tamper. Is this one not got screw in? Yeah. I will just quickly do a tamper. Let me just get the stand on this iPad up. So if I open this. Yep, tamper works fine on that. I'm not going to do the Pyronix one, although tamper does work. I'll show you the wiring in a minute. Right, so let's set the system. So, right, and we're going to flip the sensors over. If that's possible with the... There we go, right. And then what we're going to do is open the front door, because it's set to, I can't know what the exact word is, the final exit door, which is zone 1. So then that will set in a minute. For a couple of seconds. There we go, it's set. Alright, let's open that. Okay, right, we'll do quick set, and then I'll trigger the Pyronix. Now let's just trigger the Texacom one. So somehow that one's this one's less prone to false alarms. Let it go. Okay, so that's that. Reset. Yep. What else could I do? Walk test will do all the zones because all the zones are open. So hang on, let me do also in town. What else can we do? I'll open up the panel and show you the wiring actually. I can find a screwdriver one behind me. Hang on. Oh, hang on, it's not out of engineer mode, is it? I just realised I got it out of engineer mode for a start. Although I need it in engineer mode, let's go off. Alright, let's open up the panel. Screw wasn't in properly. It's loose. Open. What I'm going to do is just reset it and do. So now if I let go, it won't go off. Right, so that's the panel there. So zone 1, I think you've seen before. Wide like that. Bit dodgy. So zone 2, zone 7 and 8, they've both got. Oh, is that wired? One of the cables out. Oh no, it's a bit. So what I've done is white and blue for alarm zone. When's that going to focus? And then I've got yellow and green for tamper, which I've got a connector block for. Don't know if that's the best way. And then same with the positive and negative. I don't know if this is the best way to sort of like wrap all the wires together and put them in there. If anyone's an installer or if anyone knows an installer, what's the best way to wire the power? Because I wired it into the connector block, so I did like positive, negative out of the zone 7's motion sensor, and then into the positive of the KX, this one, and it didn't work. And in fact, none of the motion sensors worked. And I was wondering what's the best way to wire to power the detectors using the auxiliary power stuff. Because I don't know if this is the best way or not. Same with tamper. What's the best way to like wire the tamper? Because it has to be, I think it's in series. Because it has to be in like a loop. Because if it's in parallel, it won't work. So I need a bit of knowledge on how to wire tamper properly and power and that. That's it. For the next system test, I think I'm going to try and wire the speaker in the Amdine speaker. Maybe a bell. And I'll wire the LCD keypad in instead of the LED. And also I will use a Pyrex Equinox motion sensor and maybe the Visite K9, although I've got something special coming soon. So I'm quite old. Which I'll probably put on the system instead actually of the Visite. So that's pretty much it. Let me just, let's finish off with, here's one of the screws. Let's finish off with just doing the SOS button. Once I've got the relays back on. Right, so let's finish off. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hang on. Hope I was out of engineer mode first. 3, 2, 1. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.